Hey, this is Matter. One thing today I'll be doing a review on set 9462, The Mummy. Recommended ages is 7 to 14, and it has 90 pieces. So here's the box. There's the back. There's the box. And then here's the back of the box. And then there's a comic strip at the top. And he put the moonstone. Right, so that's the box. Now on to get started into the review. We start off with the first minifigure you get, and there's the Mummy. Here he is. He does have some back printing. Not on the head, but he does have it on the torso. And then here's Ann Lee. She comes with a crossbow and an arrow in her hair. And her hair is actually made out of rubber, not the hard plastic. And then she has back printing. And then she has a double-sided face. That's creepy. Which to me kind of seems like Kai's, just like with the makeup and stuff. Now on to Andy's helicopter. Here it is. Is that good? Simple. Is the bottom. And so I'm going to put Ann Lee in there. Let's put her right there. So there's Ann Lee in her chopper. Oops. Dropped something. And then here's the Mummy's carriage. It has the dead horse on it. As you can see, let's go back. There's the moonstone on it. I think it was selected. And then here's a side view of it, the back view, and then another side view. And the horse does have flames coming out of his eyes. That's creepy. He does also come with a weapon. Here's the weapon. Yay. By Sim. And now onto the horse. They do glow in the dark. So there's the Mummy. But that's not creepy at all. Anyways, now I'm going to shut the lights off, and my friend here is going to film it. They said my name. So, not sure if you can see that. You can't. Well, that's not a relief. Hold on. You really couldn't see it, but it was glowing in the dark. So let's try it. Well, that's really it. Oh, forgot one thing. Here's the instruction manual. And at the very end, it shows some of the other sets. It shows the swan creature, the Mummy set, the werewolf one, the vampire hearse, the mad scientist laboratory, the ghost train, and the vampire castle. But sorry you couldn't see it glow in the dark. Let's try it one more time. It better work. And it didn't work. But, you know, should have blown. There we go. It glowed a little. Let me try covering it up. You can see the legs. But still, that's why it's not lighting up. Take the horse off. Here's how it looks like itself. Trying to get this to glow. You should kind of be seeing the effect. Wait, I think you can see a little. Not sure if you see it, but you can't. My last try, but anyways, you know that it glows. So that's it for the review of the